Watch this. Get down on here, Tom. Let's see the action. Here we go. See, we're going to let that sucker ride across the sides, the back, all of it. We're going to get these channels filled in. It's okay if you get it on the wood. It's no big deal. I'm going to help these sides catch up. We're just going to pour that right up to level, okay? We still have some left, which is good because it's still trying to work its way around. Okay, see all the cool stuff it's doing already on its own? So keep filming that, Tom. Let me grab something. So look, we're going to help this right here. We're going to help push that guy right off the surface just to get that extra back over here. At the end of the rainbow, it's that much less we got to plane off. So I think what I'm going to do now, stay focused on that, Tom. Let me grab a container. We are going to transfer just a little bit of this left into a smaller container so that we can finish it up. We had more than enough left for this guy. So I'm going to put a little more here so we can get him all the way filled in. Keep in mind now, this is completely leak-free, completely. You will not get this to leak because it's a baking pan. So we're just going to add a little character there, Tom. What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
So, now that we've got everything in here situated, okay, I want you to know there is a crucial spot, crucial time where this guy can be moved and actually played with and jazzed around. What I want to do is I want to get these bubbles out of the way. I want you to see what's going on. So check this out. Okay, now those bubbles are going to come back, no doubt. They're going to start forming again here shortly. This is the really cool part of this right here with this dirty pour. What we're seeing is not going to be the end result. What we're seeing right now is going to be able to be played with here in just a little bit so we can make cool little designs with it and move it around so it does what we want it to do at the end of the rainbow. One cool way that you can separate some of this stuff right now where it's able to still be moved is take you a couple of popsicle sticks, and if you don't like how something's sitting, take that stick, look, push this guy around here just like that. Okay, we're going to get that stuff to start taking shape here. We're just getting all these different tones to jump. Okay. Just like that. So we're just playing with it. Okay, it's still going to form. It's still going to take shape how it wants to right now, kind of out of our control. The more this sets up, the more we're going to be able to play with it, and it's actually going to stay like we want it. But Tom, I'm digging that right there. Oh, yeah. Loving that. So any of this glitter, anything like that gets up here on your top, it ain't no big deal. We're going to be planing that right out. So again, we're just playing with this, just getting stuff out of the way that we don't want in there. And we're really just trying to distribute some of that glitter around. Get it to where we want it. So when you lightly touch the surface and drag through, it's going to mix those colors up even more. It'll get some of the light on top, some of the dark, any way you want to play with it. So we're kind of happy with that right there. I like that. So we are going to let this guy set up. We're going to go ahead and hit him with a torch one more time. You don't want it too long, okay? So this is it right here. This is getting ready to close us out. We are going to bring you back like we always do when it is time to move this a little bit. So then when we move it here in just a little bit, once it starts to tack up just a little bit, but not harden to where we can't move it and we'll mess it up, we're going to bring you back and move a couple of these things through here that are finally going to take shape and take position and stay put. And then we have 3 days for this guy to sit here and rest, harden back here at 75 degrees, and we'll be breaking him out of the mold and taking you the rest of the way out. So as usual, stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. We'll be right back here shortly. We're going to do a little time lapse here, save a little video time, bring you back to the point where we can move this so you can see what's really going on. Tom, take them out with that. Boy, that's pretty. Hope you all enjoyed that. I'm telling you, you're gonna love the finish. Just stay put and stay tuned. All right, y'all, we're back. The Eric and Tom Show. We are on season 4. This is episode 9. This is the cool part, okay? So we want to get you tuned right into the cutting board. All this hard work we've done to show you at home. Let's get you flipped around. Check this out. Here's where we're at. Now, I want to show you something. What you don't know is a really crucial time. We were about probably 45 minutes or so into this. Remember I told you at the beginning when I was showing you what we were doing and what's going on. Remember I told you we were going to put isopropyl down in here that is mixed with a copper metallic. So watch this. It is not going to be hard to see. Tom, get down there just a little bit. Get a good angle. So here it comes. Try to get the whole piece in it. There you go, so they can follow along. Check this out. Look at that. So, really cool. You can go buck wild with it too. You ain't gonna hurt a thing. So keep in mind, all that isopropyl that ended up here on the wood is no big deal. We don't care about that. It's gonna be planed out. It's just gonna hit, sink down in there, and cause other colors to come up and start intermingling. Then you can always, it's still gonna move around and form like it's supposed to, but look, I'm gonna grab this right here and come on down. So depending on how deep you put the stick, depending on how light you put the stick, is what colors you're gonna bring to the surface. What do you think, Tom?
Nasty.
Oh yeah, I'm digging that. So you folks at home, go ahead and judge it. We're good with it. Judge it. Tell us what you think. Helps us, helps you. We thought that this selection of colors was really cool. All these really blend and go together anyway. So we really didn't get too far off track as far as, you know, the primary colors going too far one way and too far the other and trying to get everything to clash. We really wanted this to mend and blend real well with all these different tones and shades. It's just gonna hit beautifully. So I'm gonna, now that I'm done playing with that, I'm gonna hit that one more time. Look at that. Look at that. That is the awesome part of that. It is taking care of the bubbles also. Last time, Tom, I promise. You know, that's a cool thing about resin. You want to keep playing with it, and eventually you got to pick a time and a spot to where enough's enough. All right, Tom gave me that look. I know that look. For once, it doesn't mean we're out of time. It means quit playing with it, Eric. We're done. So, we hope you enjoyed this episode. Obviously, look, check this out. Remember the blocks we had down here? We wrapped them because we already had resin touch these blocks. If you would have just used wood, they'd have been locked to that top right now. It's not that you can't get it off. You're just creating a lot of damage getting it off, and that's that much more you're going to plane and lose your thickness at the end of the rainbow. So, with that being said, this is Season 4, Episode 9. We've got a lot more how-to videos coming out this week. We eager you to join. Come follow, be a part of something really cool. We've got over 250 videos on our page to show you, small to elaborate, huge, how to do this yourself. So be sure to tune in, follow along. We'll be bringing you back here. We've got 3 days to wait on this guy to unboxing. So be sure with the videos that we've got coming out, you'll know. Tune into this one so you can see the unbox. We're going to plane it. We're going to shape it, cove it, sand it. We're going to do all kinds of goodies and finally fine tune it with the Odie's oil. In the meantime, we got several videos coming out this week. A couple of showers coming out this week. We're going to be speaking to our electrician that is helping us out over in one of our projects. So we got a lot going on as always. So be sure and tune in, follow along, and we'll see you back for the next one.